More than 68 million Americans have received at least one shot of the coronavirus vaccine, and close to 37 million are fully vaccinated. That's according to the CDC. Many of those are teachers and staff members from the Pittsburgh Public Schools. They received their first dose at clinics last week and will be back getting their second in just a few weeks. Once that happens, it's back to the classroom April 6th. But what about keeping them safe and students safe in schools as well? Chris Hoffman joins us now with more on what classrooms need to do to make sure the kids and teachers are okay. And this is something that's probably on the minds of parents as well, Chris.
Good morning, Lindsay. The CDC issued guidance on getting students and staff back into school safely last month, and it called it the first science-based national strategy. Now, this strategy has 5 parts. Some of it includes masking, physical distancing, washing hands, cleaning facilities, and improving ventilation, as well as contact tracing, isolation, and quarantining. The CDC also advised that teachers be prioritized for the COVID vaccine, which Pennsylvania is doing now. Now, the few studies that have been done looking at the in-school transmission have found few coronavirus cases when those mitigation efforts are in place. One study of 11 North Carolina school districts found just 32 cases of in-school transmission among nearly 100,000 students and staff. And not one of those cases involved a child infecting an adult. Now, 4,800 Pittsburgh Public Schools students who have been struggling with remote learning will be headed back to the classroom on April 6th. The school district says they will be having reusable and disposable face masks available for students and staff. And for students who are not able to wear a face mask, the district is working with them and working on providing PPE to those staff members that work with those students, Lindsay.
And Chris, let's also talk about that COVID relief bill that President Biden just signed. Does the money allocated to helping schools welcome back students? Can you tell us about how that money that he's talking about will be used in districts?
Lindsay, we're talking about $125 billion that'll be going to K-12 schools, and that's all going to prevent spread of the virus and provide resources. Some of those resources being face masks and trying to increase square footage to create more physical distancing.
All right, Chris, lots going on and lots of information with that. Thank you for that.